Little Red Riding Hood. This is Little Red Riding Hood. Can you see her? This is her mom. Look, I've got a cake for Grandma. I can take it. Thank you. Little Red Riding Hood is in the forest. She can see two big eyes. Is the big bad wolf. Where's the wolf? Can you see him? Look, he's led to the tree. Hello, Grandma. Hello, Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, Grandma, you've got big eyes. I can see you with my big eyes. You've got big ears, Grandma. I can hear you with my big ears. You've got a big nose, Grandma. I can smell you with my big nose. You've got a big mouth, Grandma. I can eat you with my big mouth. Hey, this isn't Grandma. Grandma isn't in her bed. Where is she? Look, she's under the bed. You are very bad wolf. You can't read Riding Hood. Help!